going on, everybody? Philly Pyro. I'm here at the AVI fireworks selection. So we got some big fireworks sparklers. The neons are $2.99. I'm trying to see a price on these big ones. So I'll try to go through everything. $2.99 on the smokes. $5.99. Oh, look at that. They got the ground blooms. Some flashers for 99 cents, 6-pack. So far, just walking in, pretty good deals. $3.99. Sparklers. Some more. These are mostly sparklers. These are all novelties. For the crackle balls, $2.99. These are just mostly sparklers. Here we go to the fountains. No, that's not for WoW. That's a magical fountain, $4.99. Definitely ain't that. Where's it? It's probably sold out. $9.99, $10.99 for Tommy Rocks. Nice, not too bad. Let me turn back around here. $39.99. Maximum loud artillery shells by Big Fireworks. I'm not seeing a price. $13.99 for this, the 6-shot. So, the bomb. This is certified black label. Heard good things about these. Big Fireworks, $21.99 just for a 6-pack of canister shells. So we'll come to the canister shells here in a minute. The other side of the fountains. Magical fountain, $14.99, $4.99. These were already on the other side. Orange fountain, how much is it? $5.99. The WoW fountain is $19.99. And then down here is $28.99. And then $39.99. 50 cal. Sounds like a pretty badass one. White trash, is that what it says? Yeah, white trash. $9.99. Dog pound, $7.99. Dirty deed, where's dirty deed? Dirty deed, $7.99 as well. Neon dragon is $9.99. Here, just because you guys can probably read faster than me, I will just go through and show the labels. Underdog, $16.99. Point Break, oops, $15.99. $15.99 for Color Me Pink. $11.99. Blue Angel, $13.99. $5.99 for Venom. Panic is $15.99. Wait, is it? Or is it $6.99? No, it's $6.99. What is that for 15? Oh, that's the Pearl Red 16 shot. Red, white, and blue, $12.99. Pay Dirt, $16.99. Alright. Alright, let's hit these canister shells. So for the HD shells by Big Fireworks, it's $119. These Inferno shells, I do not see a price. I think I've heard of these. $139 for neon, 5-inch neon, certified black label. Big Fireworks, $19, $120. I would believe this place is tax-free. This is an Indian resort, I want to say, casino. Super Crackle. These are all the firecrackers. $14.99. $14.99. $149 for that big roll. How many is that? I don't even see the count. It looks like a lot. The snaps are $30 for the adult snaps for the case. Roman candles, $17.99. $4.99, $5.99. $6.99. All right. $16.99. These are just some Mirage candles. $24.99 for the big one down there. $21.99. Okay. Don't see a price. 446, 60 gram. 4-pack, 96 shells. So we go to the cakes now. $44.99 on that bottom one, 16 shot, Dark Days. No price on the Cowboys. 10 shot, $39.99. MILF. I think it's 40. No, I don't see a price on it. $49.99. Old Town Road, no price. Black Flag, no price. It says Overdrive, $24.99. So $24.99. So these are $24.99 up here. I see how the pricing's kind of working now. Never mind, I'm wrong. $44.99. $59.99. $59.99. $33.99 for a Storm Chaser. I think I saw that on Cody B. That's a pretty cool one. $44.99. May have been a different one. $51. $59 for Patriot Games. Game Changer, $44.99. Then Blue Line is $59.99. 300 Saturn missiles for $20. 100 shot for $5s. $89. 4-pack for $6.99. This is all good fun over here. $2.99 for a pack of 6 bottle. These are like the bees. Bottle rockets down here. $12.99 for a pack of them. These big Saturn missiles, $115. Saturn battery. So okay, Black Flag's $39.99. 8. $59.99. This one is pretty cool. I don't know. Excuse me. Hillbilly Blast, $49.99. Pandemic. Probably on the other side. Nope. Rocks Red Glare. $59.99. Both of these are $59.99, guys. Let's go to the other side. It's not that big of a store, but they got it pretty good. And alcohol. Something I like about these Indian reservations a lot. So 2-inch Moab, 120. Another, 120, same thing, 2-inch Moab. I don't see no prices on their 1-1 cakes. This thing is a beast. That's my hand. And that's the whole cake, so. That thing is pretty big. 312 shots. Okay, here's some case pricing. $259. That's pretty high up there. How many? 4-pack, 400 grams. Wow, 4 cakes. I don't know anything about them, so just to me that seems up there. My opinion, guys. Let me catch the front of the store. There's literally like the concessions. Some smoke balls, $129 a pack. Those were lanterns right there for $5.99. Boombox. Nice. $14.99 for some rockets. It's not too bad for a pack of rockets. $50. Fully loaded rocket assortment. Quite a bit of variety in there. $14.99 for the King Cobra. But that's pretty much wrapping up my walkthrough. Gotta slow down and speak. If you guys like the video, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. How did I miss this? Alien fountain, $14.99. Missed a couple small things. These are all $15.99. It says $15.99, but then $17.99 on the label. Oh no, that's for WoW. WoW $17.99. I don't know how much that train is. But yeah. Again, if you guys like the video, like it, comment. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.